So hello everyone, I'm back again with another video. Thank you for stopping by. What I'm going to do today is I'm taking you to the place from where you can get your mushroom spawns or mushroom beach. So you'll have to bear with me for about a couple of minutes as I'm about to reach. So I have taken the route from Dholakua, which is the best route basically, and then traversed gone through this cantonment area, as you can see on your right and left. So this is the cantonment area, and now as you can see on top, Janakpuri board was there, and I've got to go straight. So this place that I mentioned about is in Janakpuri. I have made several videos about it as well, that you can actually go there and get your mushroom beach or mushroom spawns. So I don't think we are really far away from this place now. I wanted to show it to you because I think that everybody can buy their mushroom spawns from this place, because it is a government created institute, which implies that you don't really have to worry about the quality of the product, and the pricing is going to be excellent, and eventually, which means that you're going to get an excellent yield out of whatever quantity that you've bought. Please look into the list of videos that I have created. It is very easy to find videos related to mushroom. So we are at the red light now. If I am not wrong and my memory hasn't failed me, this is the place where we have to go to, or not quite. I have made a mistake here. I have taken a right turn, which is just before the one which I had to take. So never mind, we'll take another route, or rather let me take a U-turn, because I want to actually show you the view of this building right from the right from the red light. So it's so visible. So that is what I wanted to show to you, and I'm sorry that I had taken the wrong right turn. I can actually take a left from here and eventually reach, but instead I would still take the route which is slightly longer, but would want to show you the simple and easy route, at the same time a view of the building, so that it becomes easy for you to kind of reach here. So the fact or the reason I'm here today is mainly because I did not really get the casing mitti. So that's what they call it, the casing soil, casing mitti, whatever you want to call it. So that day I was told that even though you are taking the bags, and I had taken pre-prepped up bags, so I like to call them like that, pre-prepared bags, or you can they call it the kit as well, the mushroom kit for button mushroom. All right, so they don't quite create the kit for oyster mushroom, because oyster mushroom kit creation or a medium creation is very, very easy. You can do it on your own. You don't really need to worry about anything, and therefore they create kit for button mushroom. And obviously I'm sure you would want to ask me the price if you are new to my channel. I've already shared that, but again I'm going to share that with you. So it's 150 rupees for that one kit, and let me give further details about it. So from that one kit you can actually end up getting about 2 to 3 kgs of mushroom, so which eventually means even if you get 2 kgs, so that will cost you 75 rupees per kg. And all you've got to do is just bring the bag and keep it somewhere where there is not too much, or basically keep it somewhere where there is dark inside of your home, so, or your office, wherever you live. So now we are at the red light from where we have to take the right turn. So let me just turn the car around a little if I can. So just look at the right corner of the screen. I will zoom it for you. Good, that so you can have a look. I'll have to change the position soon, so you can have a look. It's Bagwani Bhavan. And now I'll just change the position of the phone and cut the video short. So what I'll do is create another video and share with you my experience about gathering up the casing soil. Right? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in another video. Take care. God bless and keep smiling.